If your Honda lawnmower handle adjuster is missing or broke off, then stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this video. So basically what these knobs do on either end of your lawnmower is they help you adjust your handle. And because of a lot of usage, these end up breaking at some point and you will have to replace them. So what I'm going to show you how to do in this video is how to replace or install a new knob so that you can begin using your lawnmower normally again. With this problem, you can see there that one of the sides, and for me it's just one side, but for you it could be both sides, or it could just be a broken knob that's not really working properly. What ends up happening is your handle is loose, and that's really not good. You're not really going to be able to properly use your lawnmower if that is the case. So you can see there's a lot of play here. There should be some play, but not that much play where it's kind of uncomfortable, and it's going to be really difficult to mow with this mower. So I bought a new knob on Amazon. There's going to be a link for it down in the description below. It comes with some different pieces, and this is really just a replacement. This kit will come with everything you need to install this knob. You don't need a spring, you don't need any of those additional pieces. This comes with everything in the package so that you can install a brand new knob. Now, if your knob is not missing but it's just broken, you're going to have to take off the old knob and you'll have to replace it with this new one totally. You don't want to use any of the old pieces. You want to use the new pieces with this new knob. So you have a total of 6 pieces and you're going to use 5 of them. You're going to take your knob and you have these other pieces that kind of fit right in there, and there's that piece that will actually fit into the holes that are on your mower to actually hold it in place. But you do need your spring attached, and you do need that black piece. And what you're going to have to do is actually install this directly onto the mower. You won't be able to put this together and then install. You'll have to actually install while it's attached. So as you can see, I put my silver piece and my black piece together with the piece that has the hole hanging out. And then I took my knob and placed it over that end. And you see how I'm placing it over the handle on the mower. And then you've got this smaller piece that actually fits right in that hole. And what I'm actually going to use are some pliers. I'm going to need to use those with your fingers. It's going to be a little bit difficult. I wouldn't recommend it. This is a tool set that I use for all my projects. There will be a link for it down in the description below. It includes these needle nose pliers that we will need for the installation of the new knobs of this Honda mower. Alright, so now that we have our needle nose pliers, we're going to put everything back together as we had it, and now we're going to be able to fit that smaller cylindrical piece into the hole, and you'll be able to do that by sliding it in. It is a little bit challenging because it does need to be a tight fit, and you are going to need to actually push this in again with your finger. It's difficult. I would do it with maybe a small hammer, or you could just do it this way. The way I did it, it's tapping it in with your pliers, and that worked well for me as well. Alright, so once you've got that piece in there, you have completed this installation. And maybe you need to do this on both sides. Maybe you need to take off your old one before you put in this new one. But either way, you should be able to begin use of your mower regularly again. This is a little bit of a different setup than your original OEM knobs that came with your Honda mower, but that is okay. They function exactly the same way, and that's really what matters at the end of the day. So as you can see, my new knob is able to actually set in place. It's able to go into one of those holes and hold it together. So now this handle is going to be firm. There will be a little bit of play there, but not as much as there was before. So I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.